Welcome to Maths for You channel. Another AS level question on remainder theorem. Let's look at the question. It is given that x plus 1 and x minus 3 are two factors of fx, where fx equal px to the power of 3 minus 3x squared minus 8x plus q. Find the values of p and q. Let's start. So the fx is px cubed minus 3x squared minus 8x plus q. Just write it down. Prior to doing the question, let's go through a bit of remainder theorem and its application. Fx is a function of x. Say if fx is a function of x, just leave that. Fx function of x. If fx divided by x plus a, it says fx is a function of x, polynomial function, and x plus a is first order. If you are divide that fx by x plus a, fa will be the remainder. So if fa is one of the roots of fx, f minus a equal 0. So if the dividing function is the root of the function, that f minus a equal 0. So let's go to our question. Fx px cubed minus 3x squared minus 8x plus q. We've been given x plus is one of the roots of that function fx. That means f minus 1 equals 0, because it's the root, it's the remainder. Is when you actually divide a function by another function, if that function remainder, the dividing function is a root, so the remainder will be 0. So f minus 1 is 0. So if you could substitute 1 minus 1 for x, so f minus 1 on the left hand side, p minus 1 cubed minus 3 minus 1 squared minus 8 minus 1 plus q. So minus, we said that f minus 1 is 0. Therefore, I write the right hand side to the left hand side here. Minus p, minus 1 to the cube is minus 1, so minus p, minus 1 squared is 1, minus 3, minus 1 minus 8 is plus 8, plus q equal 0, because of f minus 1 is 0, this is remainder is 0. So p minus q from this, p minus q is 5, equation 1. Let's use the second root. X minus 3 is another root of fx. So again, f3 equals 0. So if you could substitute x equals 3, f3 equal p3 to the power of 3 minus 3 times 3 squared minus 8 times 3 plus q. So f3 is already 0. I'm writing the right hand side to left hand side. p3 cubed is 27. So 27p minus 3 squared is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So minus 27. 8 times 3 is minus 24 plus q equals 0. Then if you could rearrange it or simplify it, 27p plus q equal 51 as second equation. If you could add equation 1 and 3, we can eliminate q easily. So that is the whole idea. If you could add equation 1 and 2, is 27p and another p. P, yeah, 1p. That is equal 56. 51 plus 5 is 56. So from that, p equal 2. So phi is 2. if you could substitute that p equal to the first equation, p minus q is 5. If you could substitute p equal to, the q will be minus 3. So the q is minus 3. Now we can rewrite that function fx. 2, p is 2, 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 8x minus 3, q is minus 3. The second part of the question, it says fully factorize. So fully factorize fx. Fully factorize. So we can write that fx. We know two factors, x plus 1 and x minus 3. If you could multiply x plus 1, x plus 3, we will get the second order function, x to the power 2 function. The actual function fx to the power 3. So there should be another linear function multiply will give you the function, will be fx. So I can write fx equal x plus 1, one root, x minus 3, another root, the third root, which we need the third order, just taking the standard the linear function, which is ax plus b. We need to find a and b. So if you could write that again, is the right hand side to left hand side, x plus 1 minus x minus 3 times ax plus b. That is equal, of course, fx. fx, we know that, 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 8x minus 3. Do not actually bother expanding this left hand side and trying to work out. Just simply use quick, we can do it quickly. So we know the coefficient of x, also the x cubed function, is 2x cubed. This side we can actually multiply x times ax will give you the third order function. That will be ax cubed. So ax cubed on the left hand side equal to 2x cubed on the right hand side. Therefore a equal 2. Then again the number, say number 1, number minus 3 and b. So 1 times minus 3 times b is minus 3b. And then this side, the number without x is minus 3. So minus 3b equal minus 3. From that, b equal 1. Now we can rewrite that fx as fully factorized. So x plus 1, first root, x minus 3, second root, and 2x plus 1, the root which we have found. So this is fully factorized fx. X plus 1 times x minus 3 times 2x plus 1. Thank you. Please subscribe and select auto notification. Thank you.